Hi besties and welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Delight and I do lifestyle content mostly in the form of vlogs. So welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you stay. I hope you like what you see. So the last time I spoke to you guys, it was after I done my tooth extraction and I was feeling so much pain. So yeah, it's a few days later. I haven't vlogged in quite a while, but yeah, I'm still feeling the pain because the hole is not yet closed up. It's not yet a week. I think it's just 4 days after the extraction. So today it's a Monday, it's the 10th of March, and I hope you had an amazing International Women's Day. I hope you were spoiled rotten. I hope you're having fun. I hope you are in your female era, you are in your feminine era. If I must say, I know the word femininity is associated with a lot of bad things, but yeah, I hope you're in your feminine era. You are a girl, you are so girly, you are a little like you're having fun. I mean, so yeah, welcome back to another vlog. So today it's a Monday, as I said, it's in the afternoon. It's around past 2 in the afternoon, and I'm just preparing something to eat. I've noticed that with mostly all my vlogs, I start my vlog when I'm making something to eat. So yeah, I'm not going to show you guys the process when I'm cooking, but I'm just going to show you guys the food that I'm going to have. So I'll just show you. I'm not going to show so much because we've been cooking on this channel and I don't want this vlog to be about cooking. This part of the vlog actually to be about cooking. So let's get into the video. So in here I'm just making some french fries. So it's french fries in here, and then in here just some noodles. So this is what I'm going to have. And besties, if I'm sounding like I have a lisp, I probably have a lisp at this point because I'm struggling to speak. I'm feeling pain around my jaw everywhere, like it's so painful. So even speaking is quite hard. I try to speak out loud, but it's hard because of this tooth extraction, so yeah, I just have to soldier on and continue vlogging. So yeah, just a disclaimer, if I feel like I'm not speaking properly, it's probably because I'm not speaking properly because of the tooth extraction. So just bear with me guys, I'm so sorry. And I'm also trying to stay hydrated because I am getting headaches here and there, so I'm trying to keep hydrated so that I don't have a headache from dehydration. You So besties, this is my lunch. So these are french fries, a piece of chicken, some noodles, apple coconut juice, some water. So yeah, this is my lunch. Let me just sit down, eat this, and then I will continue with my word sage. So this is the word sage that I bought. So today, this morning, I did page 4, which was Gold Diggers. I worked at a mine before, twice actually before. So yeah, these things are quite familiar with me, and yeah, it was so much fun to do this. And this is the next page that I do. So yeah, let me eat my food, relax, and then maybe I will do page 5. Hi besties, and welcome back to another day in the vlog. Sorry about my voice. Sorry. Hi besties, and welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today it's Tuesday. It's the 11th of March. So it's Tuesday, the 11th of March. It's in the afternoon. Sorry about my voice. I think I'm about to get a flu, or maybe it's my allergies acting up. I don't know. So yeah, my voice is a bit somewhat, and I can't find my lozenges. So yeah, I'll continue looking for them because this is so uncomfortable. So yeah, I just came on here to talk to you guys. I didn't speak to you guys today. I just showed you when I made breakfast, when I made lunch, and now I'm just going to do a skincare haul. These are items that I wanted to show you in the previous vlog, but because I was down bad, like the tooth extraction was heavy me, yeah, like I was in so much pain, so I couldn't show you guys the items that I bought. So I'm just going to show you guys. It's just a few items, like, and it's items that I buy almost every other time. So yeah, it's nothing special, but I just decided to show you guys the items that I bought. So yeah, just give me a second. So these are the items that I got. Okay, so first of all, we have this bathing exfoliating gloves. So they were $1 for 3, and I already used the other one. So yeah, I got 3 of this. And yeah, this is the hand cream that I normally use. It's the Avon K1. I usually buy it for $3, sometimes $4, depends on the seller. So this is the hand cream that I use, and as you can see, it's almost finished. It's almost finished. So sorry, I got disturbed by the chicken. So it's almost finished. So I went in town and decided to get something on the cheaper side. So I got this set. This is a 5-piece hand cream set. I bought this for $2. So each hand cream is 30 grams. It says here Kalia Beauty. That's the name of the brand. It's a Chinese brand. Okay, so let me open it for you guys. Okay. So these are the hand creams. We have the avocado one. Okay. We have blueberry. There's the juicy peach. There's orange. And lastly, we have strawberries. So yeah, these are the hand creams. And then I also got this. This is the one that I use, the Dove Even Tone. It's not even focusing. It's the Dove Even Tone. So this is what I use. I use the one written Skin Renew because the other one written Sensitive, it doesn't work that much for me because I sweat a lot. And also I was looking for my face cream. So the face cream that I use is the Posha M1, and I use the one for oily skin or for combination skin. And normally this costs like $6 for the face cream. So I saw a deal in one of those shops, and it said that this combo, the face cream is the face cream for normal skin, the Marula Skincare, yeah, the Marula Skin Day Cream for normal skin. It normally retails for $6, and this one for $5 or $4, depending on where you buy them. So I got this deal from the shop. They had written that it's $8 for this combo, like both of them. But then when I got to the shop, they reduced the price to $7. So yeah, I got this two for $7. Instead of paying maybe $11, $12 for both of them, I paid just $7. And then I got my tissue oil. This is the Magnolia tissue oil. I'm not using this more often because I struggle to find the Cocoa Haven one. So I mostly find this one. This is $2. So yeah, this is what I got. And I got these 2 tinted lip glosses. There it is. I'm really sorry about that, guys, but you know that chicken loves to stay in the house. It doesn't want to stay outside. So the whole day you'll be chasing it outside. If you close the door, it comes in through the windows. So it's just a disaster. And that time it was stripping all the remote controls that were on the TV stand. So yeah, that's what I have to do with every single day. So yeah, because we live in the rural areas, I know some of you might be like, oh, why don't you like lock it up or put it in a chicken run or something? But because we live in the rural areas, we don't keep the chickens in the chicken run all day long. They have to go outside. They have to look for their own food. Yes, we give them feed, but yeah, they have to go outside and look for their own food. So she has to roam around every day. There's nothing I can do about that, but yeah, that one is very problematic. I think I showed you guys in the previous of the previous vlog or the one before that. I don't know, but yeah, that chicken is a problem. And I also got this as the Dettol Even Tone Original. So I got 5 of this. This were $4 for 5 because it was 80 cents each. So I just got 5 so that I don't have to struggle with change because it's very hard to find coins in here. And last but not least, I got this Fix Vapor Rub. Yeah, this Fix Vapor Rub. This was 50 cents for 2. So I know some people, they can use it as a lip balm. You can use it when you have a flu. You can use it for steaming and all that stuff. So I just decided to get this. So yeah, and that is all, guys. That is all that I got. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I think I'm just going to close off this vlog here because I'm trying to make my vlogs as short as possible. So I'm going to close off this vlog here. If you watched until this part, please like this video. Please comment down below which was your favorite part of this vlog, and tell me, what do you use in your skincare routine? Like, do you ever compromise on your skincare routine, or you just use the same products throughout. I know sometimes you can run out of money and other things, but for some people they'd rather starve than compromise on their skincare. So yeah, what is your top skincare product? What do you use to maintain your skin? So yeah, comment down below. And if you are new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed and you like this type of content that we do, which is lifestyle content, please hit the subscribe button. It's completely free. Join the family and become part of the besties. So until the next vlog, a video, it's goodbye from me. Bye.